Welcome to Hardware Hosting Zone. The Hardware Hosting Zone is the technical backbone that supports Nokia Siemens network showcase and demo globally. So let me give you some concrete example of where we use the Hardware Hosting Zone. 4 different areas. The first one is we use the Hardware Hosting Zone for our live demos in the Solution Experience Center across the world, in Munich, in Espoo, in Atlanta, and we think also next year our new SEC in Mexico. The Hardware Hosting Zone also provide live demo for our Mobile World Congress in Barcelona, like PT ExpoCom in China, and like the Broadband World Forum in both Brussels and Singapore. The Hardware Hosting Zone also gives us some demos capabilities directly with our customers. We usually have about 10 to 15 customers every month. Last month, for example, we've done it with Orange in the UK, with Oi in Brazil, with China Mobile, obviously in China, and with STC in Arabia. Also recently we used the facility of the Hardware Hosting Zone to broadcast high-definition video streams for any locations across the globe. There is a great complementarity between the Hardware Hosting Zone and the Solution Experience Center. The Hardware Hosting Zone is not only providing technical solution, it also is very much aligned with our business solutions that we have in our Solution Experience Center. It helps to create our revenue solutions, for example, by providing the infrastructure for IPTV over DSL. On the connectivity solutions, we are showing infrastructure like DWDM. And with regard to our efficiency solution, the Hardware Hosting Zone gives us the opportunity to explore new technology like voice over IP. We consolidated all the infrastructure and the backbone and the machinery in one single location that can be accessed remotely everywhere in the world. The Hardware Hosting Zone could also be extremely interesting for a very technical audience that want to focus on a specific technology, and the Hardware Hosting Zone will enable them to have a vision of that technology today and in the future. In 2009, we would like to extend the capability of the Hardware Hosting Zone to even more customers, more events, and showcase in many facilities that we have across NSN footprint. For the future, we would like to bring the Hardware Hosting Zone even closer to our facilities in St. Martinstrasse. It will be very close to the Solution Experience Center. The best way to have access to the Hardware Hosting Zone is to get in touch directly with our people in the Solution Experience Center that will orchestrate with you all the facilities and demonstration that you will need, including access to the Hardware Hosting Zone. So we look forward to meeting you here at the Hardware Hosting Zone.